have a motorhome or a trailer, even a small caravan, I highly recommend you visit Sisters Beach, Tasmania. Yeah, we were lucky enough to live there for almost 2 years. That's a view of Little Sister Island from the Little Sister Bridge. And of course you'll find all kinds of wildlife there. Seabirds, you might see the occasional, depending on what time of year it is, the occasional whale go by. Beautiful flowers, wildflowers. Yeah, check it out. It's I think it's one of the few places on this earth I'd love to go back and just camp on the beach, maybe with a fire, and just watch the stars as they come up at night. And while we were there, we had our 2 dogs, Ollie and Daisy, and they absolutely loved it. It was a dog-friendly beach, and yep, as you can see, they just loved it.